Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of a Gannomat Model 260 case clamp. This is the widest it opens to, which is going to be 98 inches in width, 48 inches in height, and 29 inches in depth. On your upper horizontal, you do have 3 pushers. On your vertical, you do have 2. Both of those, well, all 5 of those do have dual pneumatic pistons. So you're gonna have pistons on both sides. Your carriage unlock lever is right here. You simply unlock your carriage to shrink it and relock it. You do have dual rollers. You're either gonna love or hate those, so you're either gonna use them or not use them. They're very easy to adjust. You simply come in and loosen them, and you can move them on the rail or take them off. The same goes with your lower supports. Your controls are rather easy. You have pre-pressure, which are your green. And to finish squaring it up, you will hit your 2 white buttons. And when you hit those white buttons, that is going to turn your timer on. I am going to manually reset it by hitting the E-stop. You do have motorized up and down. And finally, to adjust your pressure, you do have your 2 regulators here. So it's a very simple to use case clamp. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.